Chapter 20. Handling cyberbullying. Cyberbullying can be a serious issue, but there are steps to address it effectively. This guide covers key strategies to protect yourself and get the support you need.
Strengthen privacy. Number 1. Adjust settings. Change privacy settings to limit who can contact you and see your posts. Number 2. Seek support. Talk to trusted friends, family, teachers, or counselors about the situation. Number 3. Avoid retaliation. Stay calm and do not seek revenge, as this can make things worse.
Avoid engagement. Number 1. Do not respond. Avoid replying to bullying messages or retaliating, as this can escalate the situation. Number 2. Save evidence. Document all incidents by taking screenshots and keeping records. Number 3. Block and report. Use platform tools to block the bully and report their behavior.
Report cyberbullying. Number 1. Online platforms. Use the reporting tools on social media, email, and messaging apps. Number 2. Authorities. Report threats, stalking, or illegal activities to law enforcement. Number 3. Seek help. Contact counseling services and support groups for emotional support.
Know your rights. Number 1. Understand policies. Review the guidelines and policies of the platforms you use. Number 2. Seek legal advice. Consult a legal professional to understand your options for action. Number 3. Inform network. Let trusted contacts know about the bullying to get support.
Step to handle cyberbullying. Number 1. Avoid engagement. The first step is to not respond to bullying messages. Number 2. Save evidence. Documenting incidents can be crucial for reporting and legal action. Number 3. Block and report. Use platform tools to block the bully and report their behavior. Key takeaways. Number 1. Protect yourself. Limit contact, strengthen privacy and avoid retaliation. Number 2. Report incidents. Use reporting tools and seek help from authorities and support services. Number 3. Know your rights. Understand policies, seek legal advice and inform your network. Get support. Number 1. Hotlines. Anti-bullying organizations provide immediate assistance. Number 2. Counseling. Mental health professionals can offer emotional support. Number 3. Online resources. Educational materials from reputable sources are available.
Quiz. 1. What is the first step you should take when you experience cyberbullying? A. Respond aggressively. B. Do not respond and avoid engagement. C. Delete all messages. D. Share the bullying messages publicly.
2. Why is it important to save evidence of cyberbullying? A. To show friends and family. B. To use it as leverage against the bully. C. To have proof if you need to report it to authorities or seek legal action. D. To create a record for future reference.
3. Which of the following is a recommended action to take if you are being cyberbullied? A. Retaliate against the bully. B. Block and report the bully on the platform. C. Ignore the situation completely. D. Share personal information online.
4. What can you do to limit who can contact you and see your posts online? A. Make your profiles public. B. Strengthen your privacy settings and set profiles to private. C. Share your contact information freely. D. Accept all friend requests.
5. Who should you talk to if you are experiencing cyberbullying? A. The bully. B. Trusted friends, family members, teachers, or counselors. C. Strangers online. D. No one.
6. What is the purpose of using reporting tools on social media platforms? A. To gain more followers. B. To report bullying behavior and get the bully's account reviewed. C. To make new friends. D. To change your account settings.
7. When should you report cyberbullying to local law enforcement? A. When it involves threats of violence, stalking, or illegal activities. B. When you want to close your social media account. C. When you receive too many messages. D. When the bully is a friend.
8. Why might you seek professional help when dealing with cyberbullying? A. To learn how to retaliate. B. To get emotional and psychological support. C. To ignore the problem. D. To get financial advice.
9. Which resource can provide immediate advice and assistance for cyberbullying? A. Online shopping websites. B. Anti-bullying organizations and hotlines. C. Video game forums. D. Fitness apps.
10. What is a key reason to inform your network about cyberbullying incidents? A. To make the situation more public. B. To get support and help monitor for further incidents. C. To increase your social media presence. D. To encourage more bullying.
Career development programs in cybersecurity. First program is Cyber Sentinel Trailblazer. Duration 3 months. Second program is Professional Certification Program in IT Governance. Duration 1 year. Third program is Postgraduate Program in IT Governance and Security Audit. Duration 2 years. For further information, contact us on 7068710000. Other number is 9878400815.